Welcome to International Securities Exchange's podcast series. Facilitated by renowned educators, ISE podcasts are intended to teach beginning as well as seasoned investors the ins and outs of trading. To find an updated list of podcasts, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts. Please be sure to listen to our important message following this episode regarding the risks of investing in exchange-traded options.
How do I feel about trading options on ETFs? It really depends. We at the ISE think this product has tremendous legs. The ETF options that are out there, you can trade those also. So again, keep it in mind is that there are many ways to trade, and it's really up to you. Jameson has a question about currency futures. Currency futures, all a future really is leveraged cash. So I like options because I can select the unique risk-reward that I want to put on. You're not necessarily trading vol when you're trading the currency futures because, again, that's basically just a cost of carry when you're trading the future. Now, there's leverage in there. The options give you a different risk-reward. So please think of that, Jameson. Patricia, thanks. Nice. Thanks for the compliment. Thank you for the compliment. The SKU tool is going to be awesome. We have been in negotiations with LiveVol, and that will be free. So you'll be able to check that every day. I love the SKU chart. I think it's just wonderful because I get a chance to understand what the option traders are thinking, and it's very easy to do that. So thanks. Going to give everybody another one last shot on any kind of questions you might have or comments. Hope you enjoyed the presentation. It looks like most of you did, or I hope you all did, because it looks like we had most stay on all the way here to the end, and that was over an hour. So different presentation. As you know, I'm the Director of Education here at the ISE. I cannot make trading recommendations, and that's not what I do. I try to help you with your option strategies. Question about liquidity. Again, the liquidity comes down to, it's always very important to understand liquidity, but if you trade spreads, your likelihood of getting into the trade is going to be much greater. When you trade a spread, you're going to want to trade it as a package, buy and sell the option. Is there any appropriate number of contracts that need to be trading? I'd say no. It really comes down to the bid-ask spread. Bid-ask spreads are really tight in this product, about 5, 6, 7 cents wide. So again, please check that out. And let's see if I can take one last question. TJ says, are the SKU charts a new thing altogether, or have they been around for a while? They have been around, but they have been around, and the people that calculated them usually just kept them for themselves because it was very, very expensive computing power. So obviously with the increased amount of technology, computing power has dropped. Now a company like LiveVol is able to sell it at a very reasonable price. Jameson says, one other question, do I advocate diagonals or verticals? Depends on your goal. If I want to stay away, diagonals are going to give me more of a delta position with a lot more vol risk, and the verticals are going to be more just of a price trade, and you're going to have the vertical is just a less complicated trade. It's not that one is better than the other. The diagonal is a more sophisticated trade, so you need to just understand that. All right, I think that's all the time that we have for today. I want to thank all of you for attending this webinar and all of our webinars. Yes, this presentation will be archived, so Martha, thank you. Go back tomorrow morning. It will be available. fxoptions.com. Continue to go to fxoptions.com. We're planning on adding more and more tools each and every week. So the SKU chart is next. The SKU tool. But I want to thank you again. I hope you enjoyed the material. Please go back and check it out on the archive if you want to review the material. On the behalf of the International Securities Exchange, this is Steve Meizinger, your host, and today I was the presenter. I hope that you enjoyed the presentation, and I hope that you come back real soon. Next Tuesday will be the next presentation. So again, thanks again. On behalf of the ISE, have a safe trading day tomorrow. Bye, everyone. This is Steve Meizinger, your host, and today the speaker, saying enjoy your evening. Bye now.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. To find more podcasts on options, stocks, alternative markets, and market data, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts.